Hey, what was that? What was that? That was a half laugh. Uh-oh, we got the hiccup. Oh, no. Jonathan. Jonathan. Hey, Jonathan. They got that hiccup. Wait. Hey, man, wait. Oh, that's starting to hurt. No more laugh? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. All right. Mommy has to fix it? Huh? Okay.